Hello, I'm George Takei, and I'm a Japanese American, and I love the work of Japan Society.
We support Japan Society because of the incredible cultural events that we would never be able to see unless we actually went to Japan.
日本が大好きで日本語を一生懸命勉強している皆さん、こんな時こそ一緒に頑張りましょう。皆さんを応援していますよ。
I love Japan Society for its broad range of programming, and you don't have to fly out to Japan to see it.
Because as a movie lover, I can't think of a better way to experience Japanese films of all kinds.
世界の有名人から驚きの新しい才能まで身近に生で出会えるのはジャパンソサエティの舞台だけ。
I support Japan Society for having a program like the Junior Fellows, where I learn not only about Japanese culture and tradition, but about what it means to be a leader and a friend.
Because Japan Society has done a great work for Tohoku's relief.
We've been members of the Japan Society for more than 50 years. The best of Japanese culture comes to us, and it's a gift that keeps on giving.
Because they bring our two heartlands of the U.S. and Japan together. Thank you for your support. Arigato!
Arigato! You can eat chimpanzees.